Have you ever argued with a friend about reservation, freedom of speech, taxes, or elections? If yes, congratulations, you've already started doing political theory. You just didn't know it. So, what exactly is political theory?
Every politician talks about justice, equality, freedom, rights. But have you ever stopped and asked, what do these words actually mean? Here's the surprising part. For more than 2,500 years, the world's greatest thinkers have been trying to answer these questions, and that journey is called political theory. But political theory is not about memorizing Plato or Marx. It's about learning how to think before taking a political decision. So what exactly is political theory? Think of it like this. Imagine two people are looking at the same country. The first person asks, how does the government work? The second person asks, is the government fair? The first question is about facts. The second question is about values. Political theory studies both. According to O.P. Gauba, political theory is the systematic study of politics. It combines political science, which studies facts, and political philosophy, which studies ideas like justice, liberty, equality, and rights. That's why political theory doesn't only ask what is happening, it also asks what should happen. And that's exactly why this subject is still important today. When people debate freedom of speech, artificial intelligence, climate change, privacy, reservation, or human rights, they are actually discussing questions that political theory has asked for centuries. So don't think political theory is just another chapter in your syllabus. It is the subject that helps us understand politics, and more importantly, helps us judge whether politics is right or wrong. In the next video, we'll answer another fascinating question. Why did some scholars declare political theory dead? And how did it come back stronger than ever? Till then, stay connected with us by joining WhatsApp group and following on Instagram, LinkedIn, and other channels.